Hi guys, this is a new subscription for me. It is called Conjured Garden, I believe. Or Conjured Cardea. Anyway, I don't know if it's a monthly subscription or just selling, but I thought I'd try it out. I'll leave the information down below and the price and all that good stuff. What are you eating? What are you over there eating? Things you're not supposed to? And this is what it looks like when I open it. Let me just take another peek. And this is what it looks like now. All right. Come on, Belly, jump up. Go ahead. Oh, she's being fresh. We got a thing of charcoal. Maybe this is the info on it. That's my bill. Oh, okay. So it was $48.99. And it's the Final Harvest seasonal box, All Hallows Eve or Dia de los Muertos. And again, it was $48.99 and then plus shipping. So, okay. We got a piece of selenite. We have this beautiful rusty colored skeleton key with the skull on it. That is amazing. I've never seen something like this. Wow. I love it. You see if you really can see. I know my lighting stinks. Very nice. Come here, Belly. Get out of there. What are you doing? She's always in trouble, my doggy. Okay, we got a cute little spoon. Bella, get over here. We have a black perfume, but there's no label on this. Maybe it'll tell us what's in it, I hope. And then we got Final Harvest Conjured Cardea.com. Final Harvest oil. And it's loaded. Okay. And we got this. No talking, I'm doing a video. Bella, shh. We have a beautiful candle. Isn't that beautiful? Orange. Very pretty. We got a black tin. And it's stuffed with beautiful incense, I'm assuming. Oh yeah, it smells really good. I'm sure that's what the spoon is for. Ooh, my box is gonna fall. We have this. It looks like a beautiful soap. Beautiful soap here. Smells really nice. And I believe this might be the last item in the box. Nope. We have this pretty for your altar, I'm assuming. And there's another, which is burr. Okay, and we have this. I gotta open yet, but I thought I heard something else hit here. It did. It's over here somewhere. Another, which is burr for your altar, and it has the pretty orange and black colors. And then we have this. And this is, oh wow, these are beautiful. This is the Day of the Dead candles. I wish you can see this better. Oh my gosh, you gotta see this. The detail in this. I'm hoping you guys are getting a good look at the detail on that one. And then there's a lady one as well. They're so beautiful, like, you know, you don't even want to burn them. These alone are friggin' priceless to me. These are beautiful. So you get the set of the male and female Day of the Dead, and the beautiful candle, ritual oil, incense, the spoon, the bag of charcoal, the little herbs here. There's like 3 herbs. You got the burr, and I'm not sure what this is called. The selenite, the beautiful skeleton key, the soap, and whatever perfume oil this is. I guess online, I'll look it up and leave the information in the description. I'm sure they list what this is and what's in it. So, it smells very nice, but I have no idea. So I'll leave that in the information below. So this is really, really an awesome box for $48. I think it's awesome. Again, I will leave the information about the place I got it from and see if they do other boxes as well, if they do subscriptions or if this is limited. And it's from the Conjured Cardea, but like I said, I'll leave it in the bottom. Thank you guys for watching.